Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Honda Pilot's backseat. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a socket wrench, a few different size sockets, and a trim removal tool. It's also a good idea to have a small container for bolts. Before you begin, make sure the area around the rear seats is clear and well lit. This preparation will make the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's start detaching the seat. Begin by locating the plastic covers that hide the seat bolts. These are usually found at the base of the seats, near the floor. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry them off. Once exposed, use your socket wrench to loosen and remove all the bolts. There are typically 4 to 6 bolts per seat section. Remember to keep these bolts organized so reinstallation is a breeze. With the bolts removed, it's time to disconnect any electrical connections. Many Honda Pilot rear seats have wiring for features like seatbelt sensors or heated seats. Gently unclip these connectors from underneath the seat. Once all connections are free, carefully lift the seat section. Rear seats can be quite heavy, often weighing over 50 pounds, so it's wise to have a second person help you lift them out of the vehicle to avoid any strain or injury. After removing the seats, take a moment to inspect the now exposed floor area. This is a great opportunity to clean any accumulated dirt or forgotten items that might have been hiding. When you're ready to put the seats back in, simply reverse the steps we've covered. Ensure all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 30 to 40 foot-pounds of torque, and all electrical connections are securely reattached for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.